Hi there, it's Bob Carr with TLC. Let me ask you something. Is it really worth it to hire somebody to hang your holiday lights? Or is it just some luxury that only a few people need? Good question, huh? And maybe the bigger question is, what would it feel like if you didn't have to wrestle with the wires, fight with your ladder, or spend your weekend untangling lights again? In this video, you'll hear from a Maryland homeowner who used to do it all themselves and why they finally decided to let TLC handle it for them. You'll see how professional lighting gave them their time, their safety, and their holiday spirit back. Hi, I'm Bob Carr with TLC. Every year we get calls from people who just had it. The lights won't stay up, the lights burn out, or they nearly fall off the roof trying to get things perfect before Thanksgiving guests show up. And here's what they always say: Bob, I should have called you guys sooner. We used to do everything ourselves. I'd get up on the roof the weekend after Thanksgiving, hang icicle lights, wrap the shrubs, usually in the cold. Some years I'd have the kids help, and other years I'd just throw my back out trying to get it all up in time. But a few years ago, we said enough. We hired Bob and his team from TLC. And honestly, I haven't looked back since. The team came out, showed us some ideas, gave us options that fit our budget, and even included a beautiful wreath in the package. They were in and out in a couple hours, everything was neat, and they even handled the timer so the lights come on automatically. It's just not the lights, it's the feeling of not having to stress about it. It actually brought joy back to our holidays. If you've been wondering if professional holiday lighting is worth it, if it really makes a difference, let's talk. We'll give you a free estimate, show you design options, and handle the install from start to finish, including takedown when the season ends. Thanks for joining us for this episode. In our next video, we're going to break down the real costs of professional holiday lighting and what you're actually paying for. Until then, from all of us at TLC, enjoy your evenings under some good light.